Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Dee. I'm a Seint beauty artist and a lover of all things beauty. And here on my channel, I talk about a variety of different items, mostly related to beauty, skincare, some mid-size fashion, some lifestyle stuff, but I also talk about nails. And I'm really excited today to come at you guys with a new video of the week 2 Hello Launch fall collection. So I will link my first week down below. So every week, I think over the next 12 weeks, but now it's 11 weeks because this is the second week of the fall collection. But over the next 12 weeks, they are launching, Hello Love is launching new fall collections, brand new nails that have never been seen before, to bring in the fall weather, fall, whatever. But they also are exhibiting some of their old colors. They're kind of taking colors from the vault and bringing them back. So I will link last week's down below. This week, I'm really excited. When I first saw everything, because as a fanatic, which a fanatic means somebody who basically sells the nails, I get a preview into what's coming down the pipe for the fall collection. But I was really excited. But this week, I think, I don't want to say it's my favorite one, but it's definitely one of my favorites. Top, I would say 2 or 3, because they're neutral. So if you're a neutral girl like me, then you're going to love this line. So let's go ahead and get into it. So the first one that's dropping is this color right here called Nerd Herd. So this is a neutral leopard. I love leopard, but I do feel like sometimes leopard can get a little bit, I don't know, cheesy a little bit. This one is not. And what I'll do here, kind of similar to what I did my last videos, I will show some more video. You're gonna hear my dogs in the background. Stop, I'm trying to do a video. Why are you the way that you are? But what I will do is I will, right here, I'll put a picture of like a video so that you guys can see it, you know, through, and then also a picture so you can see it a little bit closer. But this is what it looks like in the packaging. It is a neutral leopard, and it is gorgeous. It is so pretty. I love it. I didn't think, for me, I like to use these manis as kind of like a mixed mani set, but when I did the video and I put it all on my hand, I was surprised at how much I liked it. Like, it's not overwhelming. Like, I feel like leopard sometimes can be overwhelming. This one is not, because it's very neutral. So it's kind of like got a little bit of a grayish tone in the leopard spots, but then there's browns and tans in it. So it's a really unique color, because to me, these colors I wouldn't naturally gravitate towards or naturally put together, because I feel like it's kind of like browns and grays, but it is so cute, so elegant, and it's not overwhelming at all. So that is Nerd Herd that is dropping today. The next one is, this is my kitten. He tried to jump up there, and there was something on there. Does anybody want a cat? Free to good home. Look at him. He's a nemesis. He is Lucifer. He is sent to try my patience. Maverick. The next color is the color Baby Bloomers. And so this is what I'm wearing on my hands today. So I'll insert some things. I was so surprised at how much I like this color. When I first saw it, like kind of on the graphic, when they were, Hello Love was, the words aren't coming to me this morning, but when they were kind of showing us and giving us a preview, I was kind of like, okay, it's kind of like boring, whatever. It's not really like a fall transition color. It's just kind of there. And then when I saw in the packaging, this is the packaging right here. So otherwise I show it, but I'm missing nails. But when I saw it in the packaging, I was like, okay, it's nice. When I tried it on, I was like, oh my gosh. It is such a beautiful pale pink. It's a little cool tone, but what I feel like it does to my hands is it elevates them. I'm not a hand model. I have very short, chubby fingers, very Dutch hands. And I feel like this color makes them look elegant and long, and just, it's a very modern, classic, chic nail. So if you're somebody who doesn't like the crazy colors, you don't want something like super big in your face, this color is absolutely gorgeous. It kind of reminds me of like OPI's Bubble Bath or whatever. It's that very like cool tone pink. But I absolutely love it. It is probably one of my favorites. And again, when I saw this one, I was all about this one. This was what the week I was like, okay, I think this is going to be my favorite nail. And then when I actually put this one on, I was like, this one might be my favorite nail. It's so shiny. It's not like a dull pink. It's definitely shiny. It looks like it has dimension to it, but it's going to make, no matter what skin tone you have, this color is going to look fabulous on you. So this is the color Baby Bloomers. So the last one that is dropping today is called Barely Made It. So it is a kind of a tannish color. And again, very similar to Baby Boomers, it's got this almost dimension to it. It's so shiny that it almost looks 3D-ish. So it's not like a normal press-on nail where it's like shiny, but it's kind of like a flat shiny. This is dimension shiny. So I really, really like that. I will show you photos. Well, I haven't mixed them yet, but these two together, even though they don't go together technically, I think you can still mix them. So they are very, let me take these suckers out and show you. When I was doing like I did one on one hand and one on the other. At first I was like, I can't walk out like this because they don't really match. And then the more that I was looking at them, I was like, okay, they are. I think I'll put in the description below what the nerd heard, what some of these colors are, because that is one of the things that I love about Hello Love is there's color intentionality. So they purposely will match some of the colors so you can do a very custom, very specific mix mani. And that's where I don't strive. Like I'm like, okay, I can't put these colors together, but they kind of do it for you. And there's an intentionality with it. But this is the Nerd Herd here. And then this is the Barely Made It. And to me, this color looks very similar to right in there. So it's not this color right there, but it's enough where I think you can mix these two and get away with it. Like it will look good. It will look classic. If you're somebody who's like, this leopard is way too much, you can do a mixed mani like this and look chic, and it's still neutral and it's not in your face. And that's what I love about it. The other thing I love about Hello Love is I feel like their nail designs are more sophisticated. And I can't think of a better word. I kept saying mature, but then that sounds like bad, like mature, whatever. But their designs are like classic and sophisticated, and they're not like teeny boppery. I'm almost 40. I don't want to wear I'm all about fun nails, but there's certain times where I look at some of the other lines, and I'm just like, it's a little bit too young for me, or it's a little bit too immature for me. And I feel like with Hello Love, there's a sophistication about their nails and about their designs that I absolutely love. There's a classicness to them. Even the fun ones, I feel like there's a sophistication to it. So that's why I decided to partner with this company, because I felt like it was mostly what I gravitated towards. Not that I'm super sophisticated. I'm not. I'm not. I still have my fluff ball pen from Clueless that I bought from Etsy 20 years ago, and I refuse to let go of it because it is wrapped with pink ribbon and has a little fluffy ball at the end. I don't even use it, but it reminds me of Clueless, and if I would have had that in high school, I would have died. And I just can't get rid of it because it's so corny and cheesy, but cool at the same time. I get that, but I feel like on my nails, there's sometimes like this sophistication that I want to have, and I feel like Hello Love delivers that. So that is what is dropping this week. The Nerd Herd, the Baby Bloomers, and the Barely Made It. So definitely jump on it. These are going to be available through the end of the fall, I believe. They might bring, like, one of the things they do is they have core colors, and that's another thing that I love about them. They have core colors that stay consistent. Sometimes they put them in the vault, but for the most part, you can have a consistency about them. Whereas with some of the other brands, I feel like they're just constantly cycling through stuff, which is fine because they're on trend and they stay on trend. But sometimes I want to go back to the classics, or I want to mix a mani with a new color that came out and they have the core colors that give you the ability to kind of mix in. And that's where this world opens up. One thing that I love about press-on nails is that you're saving a whole bunch of money. I used to spend $150 a month getting my nails done. That's every 2 weeks, and it was one color. And it was pretty much this color. This is probably why I like it so much. It was Smug Life by Young Nails, I think it's called. And this is the color I get all the time because it was classic, it was simple. But if I were to get a design, or if I were to get more than one color, the price would go up. And $150 was the max that I was willing to pay. So I'm saving a boatload of money by doing my nails myself. I'm getting really, really cute manicures. I'm able to switch them up. They're durable, they're affordable, and I can switch them up whenever I want. I don't have to wait 2 weeks to do my mani. I can switch them up every week when I get bored. And that's usually what I do because I get bored after a week. I'm like, okay, let me go to the next shiny thing. So definitely get on it. These are really, really cute. This collection, I have to say, every single color or everything that they're dropping in this collection, the fall collection, I absolutely love. It was like, yes, 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 yes. There wasn't any nail that they dropped that I was like, that's not like really my thing. I was like, okay, this is, yes, I'm ready for this. But this probably is my most classic, probably will be my most worn color is the Baby Bloomers because it's absolutely gorgeous. So if you're looking for just very simple, I mean, all of them are absolutely gorgeous, but this one I was just like, and then like putting it with these, I was like, look at how cute I look. I look like I have my stuff together. I don't. My life is crazy and chaotic. This thing right here has cat hair all over the end of it because my cat laid on it and I was like, meh, nobody's gonna see it, whatever. YouTube, Instagram, all that stuff, you see what people want you to see, not the reality. So with this, I feel like people look at me and be like, oh, she has her stuff together. I feel like I have my stuff together when I'm wearing cute manis, but I don't. I don't have my stuff together. So anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll link my website down below. And yeah, happy shopping. And I will also link the week 1 so that you could see the fall collection that just came out last week. And then I will be doing a YouTube video for every single week launch so that you can see the nails up in person and hopefully add some cute manicures to your collection. Hit me down below if you have any questions. Until next time, bye.